बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब शेयर करूँगी वो आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 24 दिसंबर 2023 के अखबार में। इग्नाइट वालों की ये जॉब है और मेरे ख्याल से ये वाली जॉब शायद डॉन में भी आई हुई थी। ठीक है, फ़िलहाल मैं आपको जंग में जो जॉब आई है इग्नाइट की वो बता रही हूँ। इग्नाइट नेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी फंड, ओके, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आईटी एंड टेलीकॉम डिजिटल पाकिस्तान, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर। ओके जी। इग्नाइट इज़ इनकॉर्पोरेटेड विद सिक्योरिटीज़ एंड एक्सचेंज कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान अंडर सेक्शन 42 of Companies Ordinance 1984 bracket repealed by Companies Act 2017 bracket closed by the Ministry of IT and Telecom, Government of Pakistan. Ignite funds startups and innovative projects that utilize fourth industrial wave tech to solve local problems and target global opportunities in health education. चलिए मैं बस बता देती हूँ. Applications are found from dynamic individuals with credentials and vision to head this company. Qualification: the candidate must possess a degree equivalent to 16 years of education or higher from a national or international university/institute accredited by HEC in engineering, ICT, business administration, finance, marketing or related fields. Experience: the candidate should have demonstrated experience of at least 10 years with a minimum of 5 years in a leadership role bracket at least N1 level, where N is the head of the organization bracket close, in ICT sector or funding organization with managing research and innovation, fund management or nurturing startup ecosystem experience. Must qualify fit and proper criteria for appointment as chief executive of a public sector company as defined in the State Owned Enterprise Act 2023 and applicable rules, guidelines and procedures including competence, capability, personal and financial integrity, required skill set. The candidate must possess excellent interpersonal skills for working with senior academicians and industry leaders, excellent communication skills to interact with senior government officials, political leaders and stakeholders, demonstrated experience in providing vision, leading and managing multiple teams and delivering concrete and measurable results in a demanding corporate environment, demonstrated experience in evaluating and applying emerging technologies in solving problems of the society, experience of industry or academia in R&D, technology based entrepreneurship, innovation, incubation, investment/funding, commercialization or building the overall innovation ecosystem. Term of contract: the position reports to the board of directors and is for a period of 3 years. Age limit: the candidate's maximum age at the time of the advertisement should not exceed 56 years. Pay package and facilities: the organization offers a congenial professional environment and an excellent remuneration package commensurate with experience and qualification of the candidate. Application submission process: download detailed job profile of the post from www.ignite.org.pk/careers. To apply for the position, please visit www.njp.gov.pk. After applying on www.njp.gov.pk. Download a soft copy of prescribed format of इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में लिखा हुआ है एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स क्लोज फ्रॉम www.ignite.org.pk/careers, fill it using MS Word, send complete application in MS Word or PDF format via email to ceojob@ignite.org.pk along with signed copy of declaration form, as candidates are required to submit an affidavit/undertaking form on non-judicial stamp paper. The declaration form can be downloaded from the above link i.e.www.ignite.org.pk/careers. Copies of the degrees/testimonials, duly verified by the Higher Education Commission or the professional body or association, whichever is relevant, shall also be emailed along with the applications with requisite supporting details. Supporting documents received through email before the closing date will be treated valid application. However, the company may seek physical/documentary evidence/record from the shortlisted candidates if so required. Submit complete application in all respects on prescribed format via email ceojob@ignite.org.pk latest by January 8, 2024. Incomplete application or applications in any other format shall not be considered. We are an equal opportunity employer. HR Department, Ignite National Technology Fund, 3rd floor Telecom Foundation Complex 7, मोवे एरिया G9/4 इस्लामाबाद। जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।